Welcome back, my stylish friends. Today I want to show you how to start any crochet project. We have to connect yarn to the hook, and I do that by using slip knot. I will place my hook under yarn, hold and twist, then hold both yarn tails together and then draw a loop, like yarn over and pull yarn through and tight. I like using slip knot because I can adjust the height of my stitch. Also, if I don't want to use this yarn any longer, I can just remove my slip knot, or I can start all over again. So once again, I will use the tail to twist, hold yarn, and pull yarn through and tie the knot. Adjust the size of my stitch, and I'm ready to do the basic crochet stitch, which will be chain stitch. It does not matter how you hold your hook. What matters is how you place your stitches. There is so many variation of stitches, and there is so many placement type of stitches. But how you hold your hook does not matter at all. This is how I hold my hook, and now what I'm doing is I'm making chain stitch. To make a chain stitch, you just pull the loop from working yarn through your opening chain. And it's easy to twist your hook. And just like that, you make a chain stitch. So once again, you pull yarn through, twist the hook, and go through the opening. Depending on your project, you will make short or long foundation chain, but you should never count the last stitch on your hook. You should only count the stitches that you completely made. Now I want to talk a little bit about the placement of stitches. You can place stitches 3 different ways. The chain stitch, it's kind of built with 3 different loops. There is the back loop, which is right here. Then we have a front loop that is closer to us. That's the front one. And also when you twist foundation chain, there is the back bump. You can also place stitch there. Depends where you place the stitch will look different. I often use the back bump method, especially when I'm working heads, because I feel like the edge has a little bit more thickness to it and looks nicer. Let me show you one more time. When you twist your foundation chain and you look at under the foundation chain, you can see the back bump. And then up front, you see chain stitches, which will be like little ovals or circles, and will be back and front loop. I hope you found this information helpful to you. And if you like this video, check out my other videos how to crochet. Thank you and see you soon.